Ran out of ways to say it. I know your shit's too fire. It took like 2-3 days, and I don't rush it either. Little do you know I'm your baby. You just don't see me in that light, but when I get to showing out, touching you in private, I can tell that you won't fight it. Oh, my homie said you play around, and all our mutual friends, they heard about it. And I seen how you did, what's your name? I'm so unashamed, but you met your family, no. It's gotta be out of control. It's gotta be out of control. I could tell by how you walking, how that thing set up. One thing about me is I won't let up.